Tracking time effectively is a crucial part of streamlining your workflows, and in this video, I'll show you how to track time with Process.st so you can optimize your processes like a pro. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make time tracking a breeze, and I'll share an exclusive offer for a free extended trial. First off, Process.st is a powerful tool designed to simplify workflow management. It's used by businesses and teams to create step-by-step checklists, automate workflows, and track processes, making it perfect for tracking time. Whether you're a freelancer or managing a large team, tracking time in Process.st is simple and helps you stay on top of your productivity. When you create a process or checklist in Process.st, it allows you to set time tracking for specific tasks. By using this feature, you can log how much time you spend on each task, ensuring that you're not only completing tasks, but also understanding where your time is going. Let's dive into how to set that up. Start by creating or opening an existing process. For example, let's say you have a checklist for a client onboarding process. To add time tracking, all you need to do is click on a task within the checklist and activate the time tracking feature. You'll see a timer appear, allowing you to track the exact amount of time you spend on that specific task. One of the most useful aspects of Process.st's time tracking feature is that it's tied to individual tasks. This means you can track how long each part of the workflow takes, giving you detailed insights into your productivity. Plus, the system automatically logs the time once you stop the timer, so no need to worry about manually entering your time. This makes it incredibly efficient and reliable for busy professionals. You can also view time logs for any task within the process by clicking on the task itself. This gives you a clear overview of how much time was spent on each task, making it easier to evaluate and optimize your workflows. If you have a team, you can also see the time logs of other team members, giving you a better sense of where the bottlenecks might be or where improvements can be made. Additionally, you can integrate Process.st with tools like Zapier to sync time tracking data with other platforms, such as Google Sheets or your preferred time tracking software. This integration allows you to export your time logs and analyze your team's performance across different tools, keeping everything centralized. What's even better is that Process.st allows you to automate task assignment, reminders, and workflows once a certain amount of time is logged. For example, you can set up automated notifications that alert team members if a task is taking longer than expected. This helps prevent delays and keeps your projects on track. Now, if you're new to Process.st, you might be wondering, how can I try this for myself? Well, you're in luck. You can use Process.st for free through the first link below, and we're offering an exclusive bonus for those who sign up through that link. This will give you full access to all of the time tracking features mentioned and much more. In conclusion, Process.st makes it easy to track time on your projects with its built-in time tracking feature, integrations, and automation. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to boost productivity and gain insights into how their time is being spent. Make sure you take advantage of our exclusive offer for an extended free trial and start tracking time the right way today.